Did you know that your beauty routine could be exposing you to harmful toxins? Yes, it's a startling revelation, isn't it? But don't worry, we're not here to scare you, but to enlighten you. Every day we slather, smear, and spritz ourselves with a plethora of beauty products, blissfully unaware of the invisible enemies lurking within. These are the toxins, the silent invaders, that are not only harmful to our skin, but also to our overall health. Parabens, a common preservative in cosmetics, are linked to hormonal disruptions. Phthalates, often hidden under the term fragrance, can affect reproductive health. Synthetic fragrances can trigger allergies and migraines. Triclosan, found in antibacterial soaps and toothpaste, can contribute to antibiotic resistance. And while these names might sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie, they're all too real, hiding in plain sight within our favorite products. Now that we know the culprits, let's delve into the safer alternatives we can use instead. Starting with skincare, there's a whole world of low-tox products waiting to be discovered. Now, let's dive into some natural alternatives that can replace your everyday skincare items. For cleansing, consider a gentle, natural cleanser made from botanical ingredients. They're not just kind to your skin, but also our environment. Moving on to toners. Did you know that witch hazel and rosewater make excellent natural toners? They soothe and nourish the skin without the harsh chemicals. And let's not forget moisturizers. Plant oils like jojoba, almond, or coconut oil can provide the hydration your skin craves without any toxins. The key here is to read the labels carefully. Look for products that are free from parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances, the toxins we discussed in the previous scene. Remember, your skin absorbs what you put on it, so choose wisely. With these swaps, your skin can breathe easier, free from harmful toxins. Moving on to hair care, let's unlock the secrets to lustrous and healthy tresses. Our hair is our crowning glory, but it's often subjected to a cocktail of chemicals found in conventional hair care products. The good news? There are low-tox alternatives that can help you maintain your mane's natural beauty. Let's start with shampoos. Many traditional brands contain sulfates and parabens. Opt for natural alternatives that are sulfate-free and paraben-free. Next, conditioners. Look for ones made with nourishing oils like argan or coconut. They'll give your hair the hydration it needs without the harmful toxins. And don't forget about hair serums. Many conventional serums contain synthetic fragrances which can be harsh on your scalp. Instead, seek out serums with natural fragrances derived from essential oils. They not only smell divine, but they're also kinder to your hair and scalp. By choosing these low-tox swaps, you're one step closer to healthier, happier hair. To recap, the beauty products we use daily could be hiding a toxic secret. We've delved into the hidden toxins in commonly used skincare and hair care products, unraveling the truth about the potential harm they can cause. From parabens to sulfates, these silent culprits can be found lurking in the most unexpected places. But fear not, we've also explored the world of low-tox swaps, an array of alternative options that are kinder to your body and the environment. For your skin, consider products free of synthetic fragrances and packed with natural organic ingredients. For your hair, opt for nourishing oils and plant-based shampoos that are sulfate-free. It's all about being mindful, reading labels, and making informed choices. This small shift in your beauty routine can make a significant difference to your health and well-being, without compromising on the results you love. Remember, beauty doesn't have to come with a toxic price tag. Choose wisely, live healthily, and stay beautiful.